Good day, everyone. This presentation is about supply chains management. This topic focuses on how products and services move from suppliers to customers through different processes and organizations. It also explains the importance of proper coordination, transportation, storage, and distribute to satisfy customer needs efficiently. So this is supply chains management. So what is supply chains management? Supply chain management is the seamless management of all activities involved in producing and delivering goods and services. It includes sourcing raw materials, manufacturing products, storing inventory, transporting products, and delivering them to customers. The main goal of supply chain management is to make operations faster, more organized, cost efficient, and customer focused. The change in the supply chain management. The supply chain is made up of several connected groups that work together. Supplier provides raw materials or resources. Manufacturer converts raw materials into finished products. Distributor transport and distributes products to different locations. Retailer sell products directly to consumers. Customers the final users who buy and use the products. Each part of the chain is important because problem in one area can affect the whole supply chain's process. What is seamless? The word seamless means something that operates smoothly without interruption, delays, or errors. In supply chain management, seamless integration means all parts of the supply chain work together efficiently. Proper communication and coordination among suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers help businesses deliver products on time and meet customer expectation. So what is customer value? Customer value refers to the benefits customers receive from a product or service compared to the cost, time, and effort they spend. So if customers feel that the benefits are greater than the cost, they become more satisfied and loyal to the product or service. Typical supply chains for a manufacturer. This slide shows the usual process in a manufacturer supply chain. So this is it. Typical supply chains for other service. Unlike manufacturing, service supply chains focus more on delivering services instead of physical products. Suppliers provide needed resources, storage keep materials organized, service providers perform the service, and customers receive the final service experience. Example include the restaurants, hotels, hospitals, and delivery services. An example, supply chains for detergent. The detergent supply chain example shows how many companies work together to create one final product. Chemical manufacturers provide ingredients, packaging companies create containers and labels. Manufacturers produce the detergent, distributors transport the products, supermarkets sell them, and customers purchase them. This shows that supply chains involve many industries working together. So these are three important flows in a supply chain. First one, material flow, movement of raw materials and finished products from suppliers to customers. Second, information flow, sharing of data such as orders, inventory, and delivery schedules between companies. And lastly, money flow, payment transactions between customers, retailers, distributors, manufacturers, and suppliers. These flows help businesses maintain efficient operations and avoid delays or shortages. So this explains that supply chains and logistics works can be very challenging because unexpected problems may happen anytime. However, it also encourages workers to stay positive and continue improving despite difficulties in operations and deliveries. So that's all, and thank you.